Northeast regional forecast with a view from yesterday in Guilford, New Hampshire, where there have been some very stray showers and thunderstorms out there, capturing the lightning during this video that was taken. Thank you so much for letting us share that. We are still going to be looking at more of those pop-up showers and thunderstorms into the New England region today. Already have some of that developing into Vermont, New Hampshire again, and down into the Midwest, at least the eastern parts of the Midwest, so Ohio,